What's up, guys? Today's video is going to be short and sweet. We're going to talk about soil temperatures, and then I'm going to share with you where I get a lot of my information about St. Augustine grass. Stay tuned to the end and be sure to follow me on Twitter at donslawns1. That's where I'll be posting this article. Enjoy. This is greencastonline.com. Super easy way to find out your soil temperature. I recommend going to their website, typing in your zip code, looking at your soil temperature, and then signing up for alerts so that you can stay in tune with what is going on in your lawn. Please go check out this website now. St. Augustine grass becomes more active and comes out of dormancy when soil temperatures are in the range of 60 to 65 degrees. That's the ideal time to begin your fertilization process. Utilize greencastonline.com. It's a free tool that you can sign up for alerts when the soil temperatures are in that range. You can pick any temperature you want, but remember 60 to 65 is the ideal temperature for St. Augustine grass to start to become more active. So go ahead and sign up. I bet you're wondering where I get my info on St. Augustine grass. And the answer is Texas A&M University. The Texas A&M University Turf Grass Department wrote this article a while back, and I have found it to be very helpful. It's got lots of information in it. Go to my Twitter at donslawns1 to find the article and check it out. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to like and subscribe to my channel.